Which city is known as the City of Seven Islands? Mumbai. The seven islands are Isle of Bombay, Parel, Mazagon, Mahim, Kolaba, Orly and Old Women's Island. These are the seven islands of Mumbai. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Bangalore. Because of its role as the nation's leading information technology exporter, Indian technology organizations are headquartered in this city. Which place in India is known as the City of Pearls? Hyderabad. Because of its blooming pearl processing and trading industry that has been supplying the finest of pearls. Which city is known as the gold capital of India? Thrissur. Since there is around rupees 700 crore business of gold every year in the city, it is called as the gold capital of India. Which city is known as the perfume capital of India? Connaught. This is famous for its traditional Connaught perfume, a government protected entity. Connaught itself has more than 200 perfume distilleries and is a market center of ether and rose water. Which is known as the land of lychee? Muzaffarpur. It is the biggest lychee producer in India. Which is known as the coal capital of India? Dhanbad. Dhanbad is called as City of Mines as its land is blessed with nature's charismatic gift to mankind in the form of most usable fossil fuel coal. Which city is known as the spiritual capital of India? Varanasi. It is famous for its mesmerizing view of Ghats at dusk and dawn. It is a pilgrimage of Hindus from all over the world. Which place in India is known as Mini Mumbai? Indore. Indore is called Mini Mumbai. Mumbai is largest growing city of India. In the same direction, Indore is largest growing city of MP. Mumbai city where many cloth mills was there, same as in Indore. Which city is known as the Silver City? Cuttack. Cuttack is called as Silver City because of the wonderful silver, ivory and brass figurine works of the city, which is also famous all over the world for the artistic design. Remaining cities will be seen in the next video. Thank you for watching.